Hi, welcome to the stock market analysis. The title of my lecture today is when you see three topping tails, this is what you should do. Now, this is the daily chart of AMD. Look at this powerful stock that has gone up by so much. First of all, let me just show you why it rise. The stock found support at the rising 200 MA, breaking downtrend line and then move higher. You can see how powerful the move is. Okay, let's take it from the lows here up to the highs here. It's 145%. Amazing, isn't it? And when you have a look at this kind of stocks, you kind of think that it's going to go on and on and on up forever, but that is not the case. As you can see, there is a very bad correction here. It's still above the 200 MA, so therefore there's a possibility that it might find support and move back up. This is AMD, which is in the semiconductor sector, same sector like NVIDIA. Now, what can you see? What are the clues that tell you that there's going to be a very bad correction here? Of course, it's going up, making higher highs, higher lows, and just a recent breakout of here. Now, up until here, there is a very large topping tail. Now, what is a topping tail? If you do a Google search or whatever, you will know that it is a bearish reversal chart pattern. This is the body and this is the tail. And what happened is at that day, one bar is a day, the stock open, move higher during the trading day and then close lower. So what it tells you is that the stock actually went higher to about 226, but eventually it closed at 206. What does that tell you? That the stock rejects to go higher. And after an extended move, you see a topping tail. This is usually a sign that it wants to decline. And for those who hold on to the stock for a long time, maybe it's a time to sell, and you can see the damage being done. Now, where can you see another two topping tail? Maybe one here, but where is the other one? Now, this is where the magic, or what we call the interesting thing happened. This is where the this is where the interesting thing happened. You look at the weekly chart. I have here the hourly, daily, monthly, 1 week. You can see here. Now, when you do multiple time frame analysis, you switch between different time frames. This is a weekly time frame. And what do you see? This is around 3rd of April. A topping tail formed in the weekly chart as well. So what happened during the week? 1 week is represented by one bar. The trading for AMD went up, and then went down and then closed about here. So what this tells us is that the stock actually went up and then closed higher. It rejects the high, and this is a very bearish reversal chart pattern, and this is why it's declining. Now, where is the other topping tail? Let's go back to the daily chart. There's one here, there's one in the weekly chart. Let's go back to the daily chart, topping tail. Now, if you go to the weekly 60-minute chart, you can actually see that there's a topping tail here. Stock breakout of this consolidation, rose higher, but then a topping tail form. So that means that we have a topping tail in the daily chart, the weekly chart, and also the 60-minute chart. And when you see three topping tails in different time frames, is shouting to you, hey, stock is going to go lower soon. Actually, there's another one. The monthly chart does show us that there is a slightly, topping tail here as well. Alright, that is why it suffered 1 month of decline. Now it's at this area, okay? So, all in all, we have 3-4 topping tails that show us. Probably it might bottom at the 200 MA, but I hope you learned the lesson. Next time you see many topping tails in the chart in multiple time frames. Please be careful and take your profits, and I'll see you in the next one.